Okay, good afternoon everyone, my dear colleagues and all my dear students. Today we'll be launching a club called Management Club, and this club is purely meant for all the management students, and this club will be organizing and hosting many activities related to management, curricular and extracurricular and academics. So there are n number of activities lined up under the Management Club activities. So actually, this launch was supposed to be done.
Hello students, Department of BBA along with Home Council is starting the Management Club. So this club gives you an insight into real life experiences about how things work in the corporate. So it also enhances and strengthens your managerial skills. The theoretical part is being explained to you in the classes. By participating in these activities, you will also gain the practical knowledge about how things work. So I request you all to take active participation and come forward with your own ideas in the Management Club. Thank you.
Ma'am has already told this Management Club is launched only for enhancing the skills and development of all the 300 plus students of BBA department, and there are few objectives or agenda. The first one is to empower the students to take ownership and initiative. Whatever activities we conduct, whatever event we conduct under Management Club, the students who are participating, yes, we welcome them to participate. The rest of the students can come and assist the department in conducting the activities and the events. And by conducting so many events, students can enhance their skill knowledge. Not just that, you will get an exposure to the industries also. In the classes, you will be studying the gaining practical knowledge about the theories and the subjects which are taught by this respective subject teacher. But whereas Management Club, while conducting activities related to management, you will be getting the practical exposure where you can just get an idea. Nowadays, in this present era, you people are not just called as students, you are considered as the prospective employees of today's business market. So we, the Management Club, will try to build those required skills and knowledge that is required to become a better employee who can sustain in the business market in future. This is all about Management Club. There are few functions also, but as we start hosting the events, you will get to know clearly about it. And when it comes to one member, the Management Club is open for all the BBA students because we are the management students, and all the students are called as members. But yes, we need some support, some volunteers to conduct and host events. So few students from each class, each section will be selected as volunteers, but even volunteers have to participate in the events because it is a learning process. The events and activities are conducted for you to learn and enhance your skills. So any person who is not participating, they will be assisting us in hosting the event. But when it comes to pre-event activity and post-event activity, the volunteers can come and assist us. See, Management Club is a body, and both CR and the student council will be the wings, so that with help of all these three, we can fly high and we can shine. Only when you students of management shine, our department can shine. So making our department shine is in your hand. So you have to shine. You have to come up. You have to learn something both theoretically and practically. That is all about management club. And I request Gayatri ma'am to speak about it and share her views.
Yes, so students, ma'am has told you about how the club functions and who are the members, what are we aiming to do in the club. So I would request one thing from your end that, see, until and unless you don't participate, take initiative to participate in the activities, you will not acquire skills. And just studying whatever is there in book will enhance your knowledge. I know it will enhance your knowledge, but experiential learning is also, one of the important criteria for a management student. So we, in an aim of promoting this experiential learning, we have formed this management club. Okay, so as ma'am told, there's no bias for members, there's no bias for volunteers. Everyone should participate. Department will host the event, department will initiate the event, you all have to participate. Let us show that management skills is very important and we can do wonders. We can do wonders with the help and support of management club. And I thank coordinator Professor Kalpana and Professor Vijay Kumar A.S., Principal of KD Degree College, for constantly supporting us and motivating us to do something better, to do something innovative for our department. Even we as lecturers, even we are put to task. What can we do for our students? Other than classroom teaching, everyone does classroom teaching, right? So other than classroom teaching, what can we do for our students' betterment? So when we think about that, the first one strike in our mind is management club. I mean, it's very important, it's high time for you all to practice and learn, experience and learn. That is how management students are supposed to learn. So we also expect, the commitments from your end, and let us all learn together. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much. And I respect and I'm thankful for the management, management of KD College, and principal and coordinator of principal of KD College and coordinator of Department of BBA for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much. And I want to hand over the mic to Lekha ma'am, so she will be addressing you.
And Gayatri ma'am have rightly introduced to you all what management club is all about. Learning is always there, and the management club wants you to learn something new, and also create an awareness about so many things, and also seeing to it that let this 3 years not be PUC 3, PUC 4 and PUC 5, right? So as the course is all about administration and business, management club will take a lot of initiatives, and there will be a lot of opportunities coming to your doorstep, and we'll also be hearing lot many names after the activities being initiated from management club. So we want it to be open to all, we have kept it open to all, and we want to see that participation from all of you, and all the best for the coming activities of management club. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, here are few activities that are lined up for this semester, all semester. So we have planned for 4 activities and 3 events. So first one is the extemper. Here you will be given different topics where it's just like pick and talk, but it is completely related to management related concepts, where you before a week you will be given the topics. So whoever comes and pick the slide, that slide what topic that it shows, you have to speak. Next you have Jugaad. It is completely new. Actually the main quality of management student is that whatever available resources are there, we have to bring the best out of it. So here we ourselves will provide you the jugaad items where you have to give your best. Next it is retro marketing. I guess all have seen advertisements. So the concept of retro marketing is nothing but already there is an existing market and ad for the product. You have to recreate it. That is all about retro marketing. And lastly is cook your own story. One management related word will be given to you. So 5 minutes time will be given to you. You have to cook your own story and tell some story using that particular term or topic. And these are the activities, and then you have main events for this semester. One is TED Talks, yes, which includes television, entertainment and the design. So here we are planning to bring few resource persons who can give you more knowledge about industry with little bit of entertainment. Yes, why? Because we can't make you sit, for a long time listening to the lecture. And next you have Management Expo, where this is a competition conducted for the whole department where each class will be participating. You will be given one topic for each class where you have to come up with the best based on the topic. And lastly is the Management Fiesta, where it is a competition for again each class where you have to come up with a very strong team of the maybe 8 to 10 numbers of students. So under that again you will be divided into many groups where there will be n number of again events and activities under Management Fiesta, because this is much more important for the management students, where it will teach you how to become a manager, a human resource manager, a finance manager and marketing management, and together how good you are with your team. Because wherever we go, as though we are working as an individual, we have to work in a team also. So here we can learn team building, motivating and how effective we are in listening to our team. So everything will be considered. As of now, these are the activities which are lined up, and yes, as the club is open for all the students, even if you have different ideas, we will welcome it. And this is all about Management Management Club, and from this Saturday, we'll be starting with the events. Is that clear? Thank you so much for your kind patience. Freshers can stay, others can leave. If you are in charge of any activity, please stay and help your council members. Freshers, this is the week meant completely for you. Please enjoy, participate and show your talent. That's it.